Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
This is Alex from Design&Build.
Very exciting news.
Welcome to my project.
Hi everybody, this is Alexander Gabriel. I'm from Design&Build. Welcome to my project. We are doing a full stripping out, a full renovation, loft conversion, basement and an extension. We are the stripping out phases now. Everything is going well. I believe that within end of next week we should have the whole house stripped out and ready for the construction phases. Scaffolders are back on site today. We've done a lot of the stripping out within a week only, which is very good. The roof is coming up. We're gonna have a new roof, new mansard, and I'm pleased to say that within the next 2 weeks we shall have the whole house ready to build it back on.